Well, would you look at that? This is a 1937 Royal Model O in stunning gloss black with silver keys. So pretty, so pretty. This one has brand new PLATEN and brand new feed rollers and still squishy feet. Not hardened. New rubbers compliments of JJ Short in Macedon, New York. Fine, fine work that they do. This particular machine came to me in pretty decent shape. It was really dirty, so I gave it a chemical bath, took the body off of it and all that good stuff, which if you've ever taken the body off on one of these, then I tip my hat to you because it is no small feat. I know Dwayne at Phoenix Typewriters shared my misery on that probably a lot more times than I have. This particular machine types 10 characters to the inch. Very smoothly, very nicely. Everything works. 2-color ribbon with the stencil position. Touch control from the light all the way up to the hard or heavy. And the ribbon direction. Let's do a little type test with it. Show you what's what. 1937 Royal Model O, serial number O-619336. And please pardon, I'm using a pre-used test sheet here, just because, man, gotta love the planet and save some trees, right? Did I mention brand new PLATEN and brand new feed rollers? Man, these things grip like dogs, bulldogs. On the black setting here, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Very nice and crisp. I'm going to be putting a fresh ribbon in this thing. That's just a test ribbon I have in there right now. Go to the red setting. Now is the time for all, whoop, that's me, not the machine. All good men to come to the aid of their country. Pretty stinking sweet. Everything works. And works extremely well. And she is super clean. Decals are in excellent shape. We've got one scratch right there. I'm not much of one for cosmetic work. I cleaned the body up while I had it off of there. But I didn't do a whole lot of polishing. I gave it a quick once over with some Renaissance wax, and that's about it. Somebody out there is more dedicated to high gloss shine than I am, then they can have at it and probably make it even glossier than it is. But as it is, the darn thing shines out from across the room and just kind of makes you want to touch it because it's so smooth and feels so good. There's that brand new feed roller. So there you go. 1937 Royal Model O. Super stunning. And soon to be for sale, for sale, for sale. I'll put a link in the in the description to the eBay auction. And I'm going to be starting this thing for exactly what I've got in it. I'll have to check my records and see exactly how much I've invested in here. But I don't think it's going to be too much. I think I paid like, I don't know, like 80 or 90 something after shipping for the machine itself. And PLATEN was probably about 70 after shipping and all that. And spent probably about another $15, $20 on chemicals. So I'll tally it all up, and that's what I'm going to start the auction at, darn it. So, be an honest auction there. Yeah. Probably do a buy it now price for 2 to 2.5 times whatever I've spent on it. So if you just can't wait and have to have it, then you can hit that button. Speaking of buttons, hit that subscribe button. I'm getting pretty close to 1,000 subscribers, and I decided the other day that when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away a typewriter. Yeehaw! I don't know what, but it'll be pretty, and it'll work. And it'll be free! Free! So anyway, that's about all I got for right now. Later.